पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी के प्लेसमेंट्स का कोई रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं, इसलिए टॉप कंपनीज की फर्स्ट चॉइस। आप तो समझ ही गए होंगे। जॉइन पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी, वडोदरा, गुजरात।
Hello and welcome to Jagran Josh. For banking aspirants, 2025 present a remarkable opportunity with upcoming recruitments in SBI, IBPS, RBI and NABARD, which is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development and other top banks. If you are wondering when notification will be released, what the exam dates are and how to prepare for upcoming bank exams, this video is for you. So stay tuned with Jagran Josh for complete details. So banking jobs are one of the most preferred career options for aspirants who want to join the government sectors. Bank jobs offer job security, attractive salary packages और career growth provide करती है। इसीलिए ये हर साल लाखों एस्पिरेंट्स की टॉप चॉइस भी बनती है, चाहे वो SBI हो, IBPS हो, RBI या NABARD हो। बैंक में काम करने का एक फाइनेंशियल स्टेबल और रिस्पेक्टफुल करियर का मौका देती है, जिसमें मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज, प्रमोशंस एंड वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस जैसे बेनिफिट्स भी आपको मिलते हैं। मोरोवर, with regular recruitment drives and multiple posts like clerk, PO and SO, candidates from different educational background get a fair chance to secure a government jobs. Now let's explore the list of upcoming bank exams in 2025 along with their exam dates and registration timeline. The candidates preparing for these exams must keep track of the important dates to ensure they don't miss the application deadlines. So the IBPS PO 2025 preliminary exam is scheduled for 4th, 5th and 11th October 2025 with the main exam on 29th November 2025 and registration will be begin in August 2025. And similarly, IBPS SO 2025 prelims will be held on 22nd and 23rd November 2025, followed by mains on 4th January with registration expected in September and October 2025. And for IBPS RRB 2025, the PO prelims will take place on 27 July, 22nd and 23rd August and the mains exam on 13th September 2025. The office assistant prelims are scheduled for 30 August, 6th and 7th September 2025 with the mains on 9 November 2025. And the registration process will be begin in May and June 2025. Now IBPS Clerk 2025 preliminary exam are set for 6th, 7th and 13th and 14th December 2025. While the mains will be held on 1st February 2026 with registration in October 2025. And RBI Grade B 2025 prelims are expected in September 2025 followed by mains in October 2025 and the registration process will be begin in July 2025 and the IDBI Junior Assistant Manager Recruitment 2025 exam is scheduled for 6th April 2025. An application will be accepted from 1st to 12th March 2025. And for banking professionals, the JAIIB 2025 exams will be conducted in 2 sessions, May 4th, 10th, 11th and 18th May and October 2nd, 8th and 9th, 16th November 2025 with registration window open from 4th to 24th February 2025 for May and 1st to 21st August 2025 for October. And similarly, the CAIIB 2025 exam will be held in June 1st to 14th, 22nd and 28th, 29th June and November 30th, November 7th and 13th, 14th, 21st and with registration open from 4th to 24th March 2025 for June and 22nd to 22nd September 2025 for November. And for more recruitment updates like SBI Parentized Bank of India, IDBI Executive, ECGC PO, RBI Assistant, SIDBI and IDBI SO 2025, stay tuned for official announcements. So बैंक एग्जाम्स 2025 क्रैक करने के लिए सही स्ट्रैटेजी और टाइम मैनेजमेंट बहुत ज़रूरी है। लेटेस्ट सिलेबस और एग्ज़ाम पैटर्न को समझना और उसके हिसाब से तैयारी करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। बेस्ट बुक्स और सही सब्जेक्ट्स के कॉन्सेप्ट को क्लियर कर सकते हैं आप। मॉक टेस्ट और प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर सॉल्व करें ताकि इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स और टाइम मैनेजमेंट इम्प्रूव कर सके। एंड शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स और फास्ट कैलकुलेशन टेक्निक्स को ज़रूर सीखें ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन कम टाइम में आप अटेम्प्ट कर सकें। एंड रेगुलर रिवीजन करें ताकि कॉन्सेप्ट याद रहे और एग्जाम में कॉन्फिडेंस भी बना रहे। So stay updated with Jagran Josh for the latest notification for upcoming bank jobs 2025 and secure your opportunity in bank sectors.